What you mean by? I'm gonna go for some screenshots. The invitation that sent is a mistake. On a too fucking actor, like don't try piss me off, bro. Don't try piss me off. Cause y'all always wanna come on my fucking live with bullshit. Don't try piss me off. Y'all are the ones that come on my live talking about a nigga every day. Don't piss me the fuck off. Honestly. Hey, come out of my box. Like, don't piss me off. And Jaden can't play back with me, bro. Matter suck. Unfollow him. Like, all I want to me a cutting off, bro. Me just unfollow Jaden. Like, me a cutting off. Me a cut off the fuck all I want to. Me don't need none around me. Every day y'all come on my life talk about King. What the fuck King have? What the fuck King have offer? Him have anything for offer me? I have my own money. I have my own place. I have my own car. Everything I need, I buy. I don't ask that nigga for shit. And the only thing I ask for is if you're going to live with me, you're going to make up and pay rent. Because a nigga not going to live with me and can't pay rent. That's the only thing I ask for. Deposit money. So don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Because that nigga broke in real life. Don't get it twisted. Me not like King. Me not like a button in him. I hate him. Stop force the nigga on me. Me don't like him. Stop coming on my live every day. I call him name. I don't like him. I hate him. I hate him. Multiple times the nigga show me say him is a big enemy. You know how much time I go up on King live and people on the live are disrespect me and him don't block them? You fucking fake, bro. You know how much time I got on his live and people that he's playing with disrespect me and him not block them? You know how much time people are commenting things about me in his chat, but because he want clout and views, he don't block them? But then you want to text my phone, talk about unblock you? Niggas go suck your mother. Like, stop force the nigga on me and tell him stop texting my phone. I don't have nothing for do with you. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Go to King Ding. Go to Mr. Snipe. He's a Batman. Remember, me have proof. Me have evidence say he's a Batman. And that make it worse. Me can't talk back to you. Me just know say if me post them, you might to all it would have bun to all this would have end your career. Me know you would have press charge for me. Me know you would have press charge for me. If me for post blood clot video and screenshot. Tell the people them why the reason why me not go there back with you. And not because of a blood clot deposit. The night when me go in on your phone and the people them say, oh, Ivany nah this and only Ivany nah that. Come on, man, me have proof. Me have proof, me have message, me have everything. Me send all of them to my phone. Like, stop force the nigga on me. I don't like the nigga. Stop doing it. And this is why me can't understand, like, people on social media is so fucking weird. Like, y'all are so weird. Notice, me stay in my own lane, bro. Notice, oh, me stay in my own lane. Me not in a mix up with no rancor. And one thing alone me go talk about when me and Rosalie situation. And if everybody on the internet can talk about it, me can talk about it. And a big stinking girl or them best year, nobody can stop me from talk on the topic. Cause when me did skin up my pussy over OF, one big whale did talk about the topic. Hey, you don't get my head chipping at the night, yeah. No girl or boy upon this can't tell me say I can't talk about nothing what they on social media. Because all I only know my business. When me did skin up on OF, the people them way I say, me not to insult myself in a rose business. She did that on my name when me did skin out. And she talk the things them say, oh, me should do it because me have picked her. Me never class her. Me never class her, me never diss her, me never unfollow her. And multiple times she send me request and me decline her. Me just not chat to her. No one little topic I go on, and me leave my opinion. I still don't even bring no ear towards her. When I see the screen record them. Me and Jaden never that thought nothing bad about her. We just did that give advice to opinion like everybody else. And like what she has seen she find man, she not really vice fair opinion no more. Stop going like you know a goody two show. Bro, from what day, I'm in my own lane. I do my own thing. I'm not in a mix up with no ranker, no gifter, nobody. The only mix up, me are with me and my little dirty ex. That's it. When me not in the mix up, them say me fall off fine because according to Uno, me still I get lion, me still I get universe. Me na my own little can, I'm not depend on recording with nobody more than my ex. No, me there start chill, bro. Like me literally there start chill. A whole lot of vibes. And every night y'all come on my life. King. Every night you come on my life. King. I'm not with the nigga. Me broke up with the nigga. Me left. Me leave. I'm gone. I block the nigga out of my life. I block him on everything. He texts me from 2 numbers. I block them. I don't have anything to do with the nigga. Understand that and leave me the fuck alone. Stop coming for my live and tell me about people. Stop trying to arm me out for go get me on screen record. Because remember, on the favorite them a trend. I want to favorite them we are trend now go on the views when on drop on a favorite video on the page. Ivany alone go on the views. Because Ivany are most hated. So when something drop about Ivany, there comes the haters them. There comes the haters them. So when we not going to nothing for talk about, we not have nothing for post. On the page dead. Remember me not a cloth, you know, but on the page dead. And it's like, me then I'm one little lane, bro. I go and chill. Literally just I go and chill and I mind my own business. And all I want to do, I just try to get under my skin. I get under my blood clot skin. No, under my skin now. I go tell you about on a bumper clot. When you finally get something for screen record. So you can go hold a jolly conversation underneath it now. You not worry about who me trouble because him not fuck you. Black. No worry about who me talk about. Him not so me can have all right for talk. The only thing you need to do is go over there go send him a money gun. That's all you need to do. Go over there and give him. So that when me feel Annie and if me call him and say, me Annie, him can use on a gifted money, go buy a ticket and come back, come live in a me hole. And shame me no again. Don't bother feel like you don't fool nobody. The only person who fool is yourself. Because when I get my new man, the man post them, me and I run up and down, and run up and down, because you have to follow them. You see the word I use, you have to follow them. Me not ask you, you have to follow them. I want to have to support them. Every man me fuck and put them on the internet, they make money off of you. Each and every one of them, unless of them choose not to go live. Every man me take up, whether them a batty man or a straight man, them get followers off of you, they make money and them get views. That is your job, to feed my man them. And then when me ready, them can feed me if me want. And they can't feed me, class them and black them and run them. So worry about the job that pays you. When he's live, go over there and give him. That's your job. Go give him views. Go give him followers. When I get a new man, or if I post a new man, you're going to do the same thing. Y'all did that with Kino. You did it with the other one. That's your job. Every nigga I take, they will get views. They will get popularity. They will get money. That's fine. But when me break up with them, leave me alone. Like, what? And guys, I want you to tell me, look, y'all need to tell me if I'm wrong. Put your, well, seven brothers, 7 different mind. 7 brothers, 7 different mind. Book. This is what happened since night, right? Y'all know some black king, delete king, runway king. I don't have nothing to do with king. Fine. Run him where? The past is the past. That gone. One of my sensations, them send me a live when Jaden and King was live. I don't follow that nigga. I unfollow that nigga. I block that nigga almost on everything. I don't watch that nigga enough. I don't need for watch the nigga. I don't remember that nigga. One of my sensations send me a live. I say, Ivany, somebody Comment. Somebody send me the live and say, Vani, go watch this live. I'm say, alright then. Matters what moderators coming because I don't got time to be blocking. Pause the story. My sensation them, I need some moderator. Take up all of them germs bag, yeah. Kiki block them for me, please. Do the job. Hold on, let me give my moderators access. Kiki block them. DM I give you moderator. Block them. Keisha, I'm gonna give you moderator. Block these hoes. Block them. Alright. So look now. After I block the nigga, delete the nigga, I don't remember about that bitch ass nigga. Alright? One of my sensations sent me a live. One of my gifters. And the person that kissed their teeth, block. Anybody kiss their teeth, block them too. Yeah, block the least little things, block them. Block them. The least little things, block them. Sheen, I'm giving you mad. So, one of my sensations sent me the live and said, Vani, come watch this live quick. Right? Pinos. I don't understand that. Just block all of them. One of my sensations sent me a live and said I should come and watch this right now. So I'm say, alright. When I clicked the live, I saw Jaden on the live. Stinking King. I don't remember if it was 4 person or it was 3 person. At the time it was Jaden, King, and another girl. I was driving, right? I did a drive. Someone said, what this live about? They said, Vani, just watch it. I said to them that, look, I can't watch it right now because I'm up on the highway and I drive. But when I reach home, I got Chick-fil-A. But when I reach Chick-fil-A, I will stop and I will watch it. By the time I reach Chick-fil-A, it all a bubble down to King and the girl, right? No, when I watch it now, I might tell the girl, but oh, I just want to tell you that you're beautiful. She did a giggle. Bear in mind, you know. She did a giggle and she did a laugh off her face. She a giggle and she whatever. I come off of the live. I text back my friend and I say, what the live about? Because I just still wonder where you send me live about. She said, oh, I just said that she just said, King and try flirt. And I said, King and I have the message them can show you. I said, King and I are not dating, so I don't give a fuck. I don't care what the nigga want to do, who he want to flirt with. I don't care. I was the one who blocked the nigga, not the nigga blocked me. So eventually I me walk with. So why am I going to rush down somebody where I walk with from? Anyways, I end up go do my little business. I go Chick-fil-A, I collect my food, I reach home, whatever. Now I'm on live. Remember, I don't know the girl from nowhere. But I only know her because of that day on the live when I see her giggle. And anybody will ask question black, I'm on point for black. Especially a man who can get back in my circle by a morning. I have already can cuss. Any man with me, I can cuss over them. Because I can point finger and say my man that. That boy never disowned me yet. That boy never disowned me yet. So if me want to cuss a girl about a man, I can supposed to, because that's my way I fuck. And if I feel like I still want to fuck him, and if I feel like I want him in my house a man, it can't happen. Yeah. Anyways, I see the girl now, I play a match with, and then when people cuss, you feel like say a people a troublemaker. Me and Annie up on the live, and we are chill. Then Annie add Jaden to the live and we are chill. Jaden knows that him did a try. Caan, the girl pan King. All time, millions of people on TikTok. Why you choose for add that girl with the live with me? Be real then, no? So everybody are cuss say, oh, you were wrong for cuss the girl, but now actually look on the big fact of how it actually start. Let's be real. Of how it actually start. You know what you were doing with the bitch all along and with my ex. You saw me speaking with Annie. Why the fuck you want to add a girl to my live that you were trying to... I don't give a fuck if you were even trolling. Even if you're there troll or whatever, me not care. You did a try Caan one girl for my ex. So why you see me the live a whole a conversation with Annie and you choose for add that girl with me. The simple means that you try look something out of it, so me give exactly what you look for. Because either way you take it, even if me never said nothing to her, it would have lead on to something being said, knowing Jaden, because what the reason you had she for. Come on, no man. Out of everybody, you had she. You feel like said you in the game when we are talk about any situation, it never go bubble down to Jaden a question the girl and Jaden a question me. Be real. You think if Jaden had she, him know him had her for, it's a reason why I'm had her. You think say the game would have play, a match would have play, and Jaden would have tried drop some word or try to set on me and the girl or try to be shady during the process of playing a game. He know when he wants, so me give him and then see her. Me run her off. I don't give a fuck when nobody wants to say. Me run her off. And what me say is true. What me say is true. Me say, dirty girl, you come up on the live and smile, I'm not playing a match with you. You two look a bit on Annie. That's what I said. You two look a bit on Annie. And it's true. The girl them don't like you. But as soon as you start fuck a man, them start playing. There goes them start playing match with your man. The girl them not like you, them see a pussy full of herpes. But as your man give them compliment, them a skin, them you see them all 30 odd teeth in their mouth. The girl them not like you, but willing for ups in your man. In the man box, you're willing for send requests for your ask question or the Q&A. You're willing for play a match. You're willing for get a little compliment. You can't take a compliment and say, okay, thanks and gone. You start blush and giggle off your teeth. But then you want to sit on live and laughing on my face like, go suck your mother girl, not laugh with me. I tell her the truth, so listen. You two look a bit on Annie. 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 I'm running her from my page. I don't give a fuck who want hurt about it hurt. But me just get her popular to go follow her. Go start give her too. Go follow her, go start give her. And that's why I said I was not going to add Annie. I'm glad you know say my grandmother was the biggest Obia woman in a St. Mary, so I can feel things and know things. It never know say some little shit that go on. From the get-go, people are like, add Annie, add Annie, add Annie, add Annie. And I said, I'm not gonna add Annie, bro. Me now go over there tonight, me focus on match. It's like me can just feast something that go on. And as me add Annie, add Jaden, and then Jaden add this big dirty girl. Like, stop calling a nigga name for my life every single day. And you know what they're gonna do now? This is what they're gonna do. They're gonna put this screen recording. They're gonna put screen recording out and be like, oh, she's jealous over a nigga. Oh, a nigga is giving a girl a compliment and Ivany is jealous. She broke up with a nigga and she's jealous. When really and truly I'm all about the bag. When really and truly I'm all about my bag. I don't give a fuck about a nigga. But because y'all want something to post and y'all want followers and y'all want viewers, you're going to put screen record to see like, oh, Ivany is jealous. Jealous over who? Jealous over who? If I break up with a nigga today, I have a man tomorrow. If I break up with a man tomorrow, I have a man the same day. I don't heal. I don't got no cut to heal. If I break up with a nigga last week, I have a man by next week. And I already have somebody I'm texting right at the moment. I don't give a fuck. When I'm finished, I'm finished. Just get ready. All you guys need to do is just wait for me to post my new man so that you guys can follow him and send him some gift too. That's your job. Just wait. Just wait until I post my new man and we go out. As soon as I move in my new house and I settle down and everything and we go out, all you need to do is wait until I post him and I post his TikTok and you just go follow him and you go give him because that's what y'all do. Follow niggas I date and give them and support them. And I have no problem with that. But when you see that I'm not with one person, stop coming on my live and bringing up that person in. it get annoying. Like, stop. 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 Cut it out. Stop. I'm not interested. Not interested. Look on fucking these message and tell me if this look like I'm forcing anybody to come and live with me. Does this message look like me I force anybody to come live with me? Okay, boom. Let's start by this. You're a nice person. I really do love you for you. I don't see myself with no other nigga. I don't want no other nigga. And that's why I'm taking my time to help you change. This is not me trying to rule you or change you because a person I want, this is not me trying to rule you or change you to become a person I want because you're perfect with the way you are and whatever. Health. So we're going to talk about health, cleanness, acting like a stranger, malice, and blood clot. Let's start off. Listen, I said to the nigga say, no, I realize you always shower. I never in my life smell you like Franzi or nothing. You always brush your teeth in the morning, but guess what? You don't at night, and that's very nasty. I have in veneers, and after eating everything from morning till night, before I brush my teeth, I floss. And the amount of food that's inside my tooth is crazy. And bear in mind, you have braces. If you didn't know, people who wear braces brush their teeth each day and every time they have a meal. You should brush your teeth after meals and every night before you go to your bed. That's health, and that's your mouth. You have to take that serious. I won't be kissing you if I see you're not brushing your teeth every night before you go to your bed. No way. Suggestion, you need to visit a dentist and get your entire mouth clean or take those braces off. Clean and get back. But you need a clean for real. Respectfully. Since y'all want to fucking get me out. And then me say, your hair. You need to start going to the hairdresser more often to get your hair washed and groomed like your hair where dandruff be in your head growing up. That's not healthy. You're way too handsome to be not fixing this problem. Have to carry yourself better, especially when dating me. When the nigga sleep on my bed, I be a blood clot than just a drop out time head pa my shit. Me never see nothing like that. The boy na wash him head, the boy no fix him head or nothing. The dandruffs them, nuff pan him head. Remember say the two hours we sleep on my bed and me have to put my blood clot face pa my sheet. Uno go comfortable with uno in your bed with your man and the two uno lay down pan pillar and when him get up a bed, that just upon it where you have to put your face. Boy, clean up yourself. Clean up yourself, bro. I come down and I say cleanness. I see that you had listened, which I admired, you spread in the bed, etc. But don't be scared to use machine. Wash your clothes. We take turns to clean on bathrooms every Sunday. You can't one day your weeks and 2 weeks and 3 weeks and expect a me for your... Stop! Chill! Cause right now I'm mad. Oh. So me woulda want forcing nasty people in my life. When me woulda miss about a boy more than him nastiness. You're mad man. You're mad man. Mad over which nasty boy? Me not mad over no boy. Me have to tell boy what to do. I'm bear in mind a boy want to live with me. You can't live in this house. You tell me say you not clean bathroom. You piss on your shit in the toilet. You have to clean it. You're crazy. I said to him, say, we take turns to clean bathroom every Sunday. I have to clean out the shower whenever finish bed because it leave things behind every time the boy go in the bathroom. I mean, if I go in there, go clean it out, I be nasty things left back in the shower. We're not talk about. Sometimes you can take out garbage if it's full. Every morning I take out garbage by myself. Him know if I put in there, but him don't know if I take out. What not say? Eh? Nobody not tell the boy if I come from him yard and stuck at my yard. When that nigga come look for me, I him decide how much days he want to spend. And if you want to spend 1 week, 2 weeks, make sure you clean during the fucking week them. You don't come and tell me about me a force boy. I can't force them people upon me. I didn't know say I saw a boy nasty. Sometimes a boy come and dine for him guy me. You know I talk about, oh, the nigga dying to go home because him can't smoke. Me dying for him left. I just so me no ask him when him left. Me this same day come I see him them want him left because he come see my place clean and as him come a place dirty. What not talk about? Forcing what kind of people to live with me. I best say me no because I'm not there. I said to him say, I'm full. The house should always vacuum every morning whenever I wake and finish making bed. If a man did clean and know so when him get up out of bed, spread it, vacuum the place. My Udo have to tell you this and make it look like you're my pitney. My Udo have to tell you this and I don't want nobody tell me about boy young. I see you, my little nephew, when they are Jamaica just for 18. And my mother don't have to tell my little nephew to do anything in the house. My little nephew is 18 and live at Jamaica. And my mother don't have to tell my little nephew to do anything. My little nephew know for clean the bathroom on a Sunday. My little nephew know for spread him bed. My little nephew know say every Sunday him take out the mat them and him wash them. My little nephew know all for the things and he's a big old man in your 20s. And you tell me say me if you tell you to do them something here. The only reason why I tell you to do them because I say you not do them. Even if you come live with somebody, it's a common sense. If you know say if you see something there to clean it up. Even if I'm nasty at my yard, I got somebody yard, I clean. So what you mean by I can't tell somebody when I live with to do that? You're crazy. If I see a dash of rubbish and it, you know, going to the garbage, I'm going to tell you to pick it up. You're going to tell me. I said to him, say, whenever I finish making bed, you're not doing it every day. I take turns about making bed. Only reason why you keep making it is because you're the last one who come out of it, which is pretty fair. Because if I are the last person to wake up, it's fair that you want spread it. Wanna stop come from my life. Then I say acting like a stranger. The boy in my house, let me read everything. I don't like how you act like a stranger. You don't want to make something to eat. I don't say that, and if I don't make you something you don't eat, nor you don't eat. You're not a kid. I'm not your mom to take care of you. You should get up, feel comfortable, and drink and eat whatever there is to eat. You act like a stranger in the house. I don't like that. I see people saying I take care of. We both know that's wrong. I don't give man money or take care of niggas. That's not a woman's job. And I hope you're not feeling like I do, because no way I don't. Whenever you decide you're ready to move in, as I said, move in. You will need to help me off and off on rent, utilities, and grocery. That's when you plan to move in, because I won't have a man living with me and I'm still fully doing things. Nope. Right now, I don't know your status. I don't know if you're staying 2 days, 3 days, or you actually moving in. I need to know. Because when we was mad, you making fun, saying, I really think, when we was mad, you were making fun, saying if I thought that you was really gonna leave your crib behind to live with me, and I still haven't forget all that. Those little jokes you run, so that make me look at you way different now. I realize I can't tell you things, cause you burst it out loud when I said I was gonna get you veneers. The world didn't have to know. Now you have them saying I take care of you, and for that anything you will be buying me, they say I pay for it. So now I can't tell you nothing private because you burst things out, which is fine because I've been holding back some stuff from you. Anyways, your pants is still a little down, same way. I realize you having them up a little seem like you're changing about that. But it needs to be wear correctly. Worse, my son is going to be more at home now. That's when we just, they take out ice out of the daycare where I beat him up there. I mean, you don't gotta follow these things. You just can't be around us if you can't work with it. I'm sorry, love you or not, it just won't work if you're not willing to cooperate. Then Mr. Malice, I hate the fact you like to hold grudge and malice, and you like when people come to talk to you first. If that's the case, better you stay single, cause no way you're gonna be in my space and not wanting to talk. Best you go your way, I go mine. Man should act like man. Another thing I need to stop doing, if you decide you want to live with me and helping out, I'm not gonna tell you leave, etc., because it's our place now. But I don't know how you're gonna take it. Not in a disrespectful way, just need to take your health better and do better. Anyways, love you. And it wasn't a breakup text. If you want it to be, then it's cool. This fucking conversation, none of this wanna read. So for the ones them that are talking about, oh, she's the one who forcing a nigga to live with her. Oh, she's the one trying to act like the nigga is her kid. Where in this message prove that I ever tried to rule this nigga? Where in this message prove that I ever tell a nigga, oh, hurry up and come live with me? It clearly states that I don't know if you're staying a week, 2 days, a month, whatever. And then this is my message. Now, let's go down to his message. And then this was another one I said, and don't take it wrong way, I love you. If I didn't, I wouldn't let you go without trying to fix things. You're the best nigga I have. Everyone else was trash. I'm just trying to make things work, and you're young, so you do young things, and that's fine. I love you. Text me if anything when you're coming back. Miss you already. And then he read the message, and he didn't answer me. He read all this message, and he didn't answer me. Then I typed back a message now, and I said, and the fact you read without replying back, I know you read it, you even call love. So listen, don't ever even bother to reply. And that's the same thing I'm talking about. I wish not to work or talk anything else with you. I'll give love your stuff. Call her and figure it out. You'll get it. Bye. Then him say, babe, I'm replying to the paragraph you sent me. Also have things I want to say, and I'm invest as far as seeing if everything is okay with Ice. This isn't just a light situation. Just want to make sure that get taken care of. Taken care of. And I'm not taking it no bad way. Just feel you had stuff on your chest you needed to get off. And for you, it was better to say over text, which totally fine. But if we text para to clear the air, have to give me some time to reply. Love you so much. I just be saying anything most definitely coming from my heart. I call love. Because people were spamming me, invites to your live when I'm not there, and knowing she close wanted. That's what I'm talking about, Ice. Let's read the paragraph and reply back to. Hold on. More, and as I stated yesterday, I'm trying to transfer my PO to ATL, so wouldn't have to keep flying here just for a 15-minute check-in, and would be better cause the check-in will be over the phone through Zoom. So he said he contact me with more information on that, and I'm missing you to mama coming before the 31st. And beside your ring, see, y'all talking about I bought the ring. I didn't even know the nigga bought a fucking ring. I didn't even know the nigga bought me a ring. Read this message. I didn't even know that the nigga bought me a ring. The nigga reply and say, I love you more, and I stated yesterday, I'm trying to transfer my P.O. box to ATS so I wouldn't have to keep flying here just for a 15-minute check-in. And would better because the check-in in will be over the phone through Zoom. So he contact me with more information on that. I miss you too, mama, coming the 31st. And besides, your ring isn't done as yet. Have to pay the rest when picking it up. I hate when we're apart. Shit does something to my fucking soul. This was our medication. That's his private shit. I won't show you. This was when we went to the fucking doctor. We got tested. His result came negative. Mine came negative. Then he says, first have I tried my heart. Okay. And then for everybody information, this are the paragraph you write me. Them could have sent me text myself. I don't give a fuck. How am I going to text myself? Isn't this King number? Isn't this King voice?
Good morning, babe. I ended up going to sleep last night. I had a headache and shit, so I had this.
Isn't this King send me voice now? So how am I texting myself?
Back today, what account that I was battling on today at 9:55.
We're not taking any medication. I said we went to doctor to get checked up. His result came back negative. My result came back negative. I don't need to show this because this is his. If he wants to go and show you this, he can show you that. Where is it? This is my look, this is my result. He can show you his result. These are my results. These are my results that we went and did. If I want to show you my result, I can show you my result. I'm not going to show you his result, which is the same thing. He's the one who is supposed to show. Oh no, that's his job, not my job. I'm not going to show anybody private stuff. Moderator, don't mute, block. And another thing, moderators, if somebody says something and you block them and you realize other person reply to that person and laughing, block those person too. If somebody comments something hateful and people reply to that hateful comment laughing, block those peoples too. Back to the conversation. The long paragraph that I sent King. Hold on, let me switch charger. My phone is about to die. Because I'm not fucking with y'all. Y'all Y'all want the clout? Let me give y'all the clout. I've been too quiet these days. Been too fucking quiet. The fuck? This is his reply. First of all, this is his reply. First off, I try my hardest to be the best person I could be towards the ones I love the most. So I really do appreciate you for the credit when it's due. You're a very nice person yourself. And for you to want to uplift, want the best for your partner and go the full mile shows a lot about your character. Most would only go halfway. I totally understand where you're coming from. And I'm not an offensive person, so I wouldn't look at it as trying to rule or change me. More so like altruistic because you've seen it personally, but health will begin with. In my reply to health, would never ever catch me smelling frowns or stink. Don't even like when my hands feel sticky one bit. Let along my body, that's a major no. As for me, brushing my teeth in the morning, I brush and floss very well. And I've been told by dentists that I have very good health. Teeth multiple times. No cavity or anything of that sort. Never had smelly breath, which says a lot if I'm only brushing in the morning. I don't think there's been a time you told personally that my breath stink. But when eating heavy food that sticks, I brush immediately because it bothers me. But I will for now brush morning and night for the best result of the healthiest teeth. Replying to here, I never had an actual braids where you could see the scalp up until this time. I wanted to change the look for a specific reason. I've always had free forms, which is a style very popular here in Florida, where it twists on top of the fro. 100% agree with you with the dandruff growing. But in my situation, I suffer from dry scalp, which is similarly to dandruff. But isn't dandruff? That's why you see white spot and smaller white flakes. Now have been getting retwist. These past months be feeling the new look. I'm going to keep up the maintenance of my hair often. Plus found good hairdresser lady can't lose. Then you say replying to cleanness. Of course we'll always spread bed. That part getting the day started. And most definitely will wash clothes when there's full load. Wouldn't want to wash just a few pieces of clothes, making no sense. And the cleaning the bathroom each Sunday we swap was a great idea. And sticky notes, 100% agree. Gonna be times I may clean before Sunday just to make sure it's up to date and clean tight. It's up to date and clean tidily. That follows up with shower. I know as a guy we tend to leave public areas. I've always been the type to rinse out floors because of that reason once I've already bathed. We'll most definitely make sure the floors are vacuumed and mopped every day. Sorry I was only waiting until it looked like it needed to be vacuumed. I apologize. We'll fix that for sure. No worries. And honestly, I take accountability of not taking the trash out. We'll not taking the trash out. Get used to it. You shouldn't have never take out no trash or wash dishes if you're cooking for both of us. Where I've been always had trash valet where the apartment have people pick up trash. Totally gets you. Replying to acting like a stranger. As far as me eating and making food, I really don't eat in general, nor do I cook. It's always been fast food. As I stated in the past, since I've been with you, most I ever ate, just my body, and I've been a shell, but that's normal. Just getting myself comfortable comes with time, and I'm very respectful. Could tell me make myself a home and I'll still want to get confirmation about certain things, just how I am. But I totally understand. And if you thought you was gonna be paying bills and etc. by yourself, that's insane. When I'm there working most of the days and using the same utilities you are, and I wouldn't dare think I'm living for free. I've always paid my rent my way for everything, and you being my woman, I wouldn't feel comfortable even to pretend letting that happen. And I agree with you. I have said things in the past, but like you said, we was mad stuff could be said, but not mean that's why it's important we have sit down and talk to cover everything that's futuristic far as living costs, what we need to work on, and just etc. Sit down and give a lot of better understanding. As far as me bursting things out, you have never told me something the internet doesn't already know. I peeped that the veneer situation I didn't want you to buy only cause when you tend to get mad, you burst things also, and that most definitely was gonna be your go to making seems as if I didn't have to buy them. Feel me? But I was wrong. I'm sorry. Should have went better about that. Malice. I wouldn't say I hold grudge or malice. I'm not no matter a person rare, not even mad. not even to get mad. I'm full of joy and energy for sure. And that specific situation, I was hoping to make you feel better and preventing you from telling me to leave, because you stated whenever you're mad, just let you be, which I thought you was going to tell what was on your mind once you cool off. But like you said, as a man, I should have been the bigger person and take full accountability, which misunderstood. And I'm sorry. I always want to talk out at any given moment and just a quiet person. Whatever, open it up. Appreciate you for bringing me out my shell I've always been in. I've been made up my mind, want us to live and grow together. Only person I see myself with. Feels weird encountering with a different person. I swear to God, I love you from the bottom of my heart and haven't felt real love till we met. Trust I get it is life, not taking it in a bad. What? Trust I get it's life, not taking it in bad. I'm proud. Could have someone like you in my corner. My peace was never there for whatever I'm learning. Oh no, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Love you too. Not much have to say. Would rather in person, but just want you to communicate with me better and not take our personal relationship to business to the internet before I even know what you upset about. I only could fix the problem having da. Let me no. Y'all see that. And I had to fucking show those messages because y'all are on my fucking skin every fucking day. Y'all are on my skin every fucking day. So I had to show that.